quick tease, just a quick tease where I'm up to now, but I've got to make just 2 more little adjustments. Okay? Got the pipes in. Oh yeah, it'd be very noisy sitting here. Very noisy. That's all done there. Yep. Got my ram tunnels in. Rocker covers. I'm bringing the pipes there and then I'm bringing them down along the side. That'll be fixed up. And it's nearly done, babe. Nearly done. Yeah, it's a low slung dragster actually. The only thing that bothers me is the pulley. She's a bit crooked. She leans forward too much. But anyway, we'll overlook that. But there you go. Alright? Just a quick tease. Catch you later.